This is Caitlin's first unboxing video. Tell us what it is, girl.
It's a LOL big surprise.
Oh, it's a big surprise. Oh, it's childproof. Oh no, never mind.
I'm not a child, I'm a queen.
Oh, she's a tween, everybody. Don't forget it. Whole bunch of plastic. Don't mind the mess, guys. Whoa, what is that? Holy moly, is that a...
These are the fizzies.
The fizzies?
The fizzies.
Is that like a bear or something?
No.
Oh, sorry.
These are the little sisters. 5.
What?
The big sisters.
So it's a whole package deal. We got one huge package, 3 of them, oh, 2 huge ones, 2 of the mediums, 5 of the sub mediums, and how many are those?
10. Oh wait, these are the fizzies. These are the open ones.
Whoa.
So these are the little sisters.
And with pink hair, just like Caitlin. No, never mind. That's not pink hair. Pink hair and green eyes like her mom. Oh.
I'll open the little sister.
All right, she's opening the little sister.
God, it's just a doll.
It's just a doll, ladies and gentlemen. Frowny face and all. I'm so excited. Even the cat is excited. Can't you tell that?
No,
Oh,
it's
excited.
open there.
Oh no, never mind.
I'm gonna see.
Oh no.
We got a clue.
The clue is it. What does it say?
It says a girl plus a crown. Probably like a princess.
Oh, what else has a crown?
A queen.
A queen.
Probably the face is like a queen.
That looks good, babe.
Oh, look.
What?
It reveal a surprise. Change color.
Ooh.
Raise her.
Should I put all of them?
Yeah. How many are left?
Just 2.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh.
Oh.
Last one.
Last one. More plastic. And you're not kidding. They package these things up good. Surprise, surprise. What is it? An octopus.
Bags.
Oh, there's baggies. Yay.
More plastic.
More plastic. Yay.
So this is probably like sunglasses.
All right, fashion.
Mom, I think they're the same as Evelyn.
Really?
Yeah. What is this?
Come on, come on.
I think this is the doll.
Uh-oh.
If it's not, my mistake.
I think it's a vampire. No? They don't have vampires? No. Maybe not. Oh! What is it?
Oh,
It's a baby!
a quarter.
Yeah! With sunglasses that baby be styling.
What is this then?
More plastic. Make sure there's nothing in there. Oh, what could it be?
Diamond purse.
Oh, yeah! Fashion, styling. The purse is bigger than the baby, man. Oh, that's the way these toys are. Nice and shiny. Oh, the baby goes in the purse?
Yeah.
That's funny.
I don't like those.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's the first one. We'll come back to you later with more unboxing of Caitlin's. What is that? Oh, the keychain. Oh, to carry the baby around. Say bye.